Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video this time, I will try to give a little green Moody photo editing tutorial on Lightroom mobile. And this is an example of this editing reference. Before proceeding to the tutorial, the good and sincere please help subscribe and share. Yes guys. Okay, we just go to the tutorial guys. And here for the first step, you have to adjust every photo you want to edit. Because loyal photos are different, so you have to rejoin. And don't be pounded with videos or in presets. And this is an example of default or effects that match the presets that I use. And this is not my change.